Alright, in this lecture, we're going to go over how to use detail and value to create space in your drawings. So we're going to be drawing a picture of a mountain range with a forest in front of it. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we want to do is we want to sketch out where we want our mountain range to be. So I want it to go about in the middle of my composition. So I'm going to have one mountain right there. I have another one that comes right here. Like so. And then I'm going to have a second mountain range behind that. So I'm going to go ahead and create another mountain range back here. Like so. And then I want to go ahead and draw in where my trees are going to be. So basically they're going to be pine trees, and so they're basically going to be tall, skinny triangles. So I'm going to sketch those in just by sketching in some basic triangles. Alright, so next what I want to do is I want to start with my foreground. So my foreground is whatever is closest to me. And this is going to be the darkest thing on my image because it's the closest. The further away things get, remember, they get lighter. And so this will be our tree line right here. So we're going to go ahead and fill these in really dark. And I'm going to speed this section up because this is going to take a little while. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so now that we have our tree line put in, and this is the darkest part of our whole entire image, we're going to go ahead and move on to the second layer of our mountain range. So like I said, there's two layers. There's this first one, and then there's this one behind it. So this first one is going to be lighter than these trees, but it's going to be darker than these back mountains. This first layer of mountains is also going to have more detail than this back layer of mountains. So let's go ahead and get started. So first off, I'm going to go ahead and decide where the edges